Hi there, students. A Lexiphane. Okay, that's a person. Lexiphanic, an adjective. Lexiphanical, as well as an adjective. Lexiphanically, and then even Lexiphanicism. Okay, so somebody who is a Lexiphane, this is somebody who's using pretentious, big, long words, complicated language. Yeah, the student's Lexiphanicism is an attempt to look really smart, but it just makes him look like a pompous idiot. Yeah, using excessively learned, excessively bombastic, complicated language. Yeah, using terminology that most people nowadays would not use. Yeah, using pretentious wording, pretentious language. As a student, when you're trying to write something very formal, it's very important not to be lexiphanical. Yeah, you need to use words that sound appropriate in the context, but without going over the top, without being overly pretentious. Yeah, you need to use words that are appropriate. Okay, so Lexiphanism or Lexiphanicism, I think probably both pronunciations are valid. It's the use of overcomplicated words, use of magniloquent language. Okay, magniloquent language is quite good as well. And then the person is a Lexiphane. Notice all of these words are pretty unusual. And maybe the word Lexiphanicism itself could be defined as lexiphanic. Yeah, this is somebody who is overly fond of incredibly complicated words. Yeah, I think maybe lawyers tend to be lexiphanic when they write documents. Yeah, or when they write a contract. Maybe you could say that the politician gave a very lexiphanic speech. Okay, so formality, boof. I think I'm going to give this word an 8.5 in formality. I might even go to 9. If you use this word in an informal conversation, people are going to say, and what the hell does that mean? Yeah, so I think probably it's best if you use this word as a joke, or maybe you could accuse your friend of being lexiphanic. Yeah, when your lexiphanism is over, please could you explain that to me in normal language? Okay, and then as to origin, well, this actually comes from an ancient Greek writer, Lucian. And he was somebody who used to write satire and pamphlets and stuff like that. And he was always very joking and very tongue-in-cheek. Yeah, I got tongue-in-cheek into the speech as well. And this describes some of his, some characters from his writings who are always using excessively complicated words and excessively complicated terminology. Okay, so yeah, a lexiphane is lexiphanic or lexiphanical. He speaks lexiphanically, and he spends his time using lexiphanicisms. Wow, that was complicated. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lexiphane, lexiphanic, lexiphanical, lexiphanicism.